at the end of the day, and then you have nothing else to say. What do you want me to say? Try blending my emotions, but I know you're about to be oceans away. Please quit asking me to stay. I'm weak enough